Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. Today we want to talk about filing Jamaican citizenship for your foreign-born children. If you are a Jamaican living abroad with children, you should file their Jamaican citizenship. It helps them in many ways. One, they can claim inheritance back in Jamaica that you have, or your grandparents or family members. Two, it helps them when they go abroad and end up in areas that are maybe not friendly to U.S. citizens. It gives them another option if they're stranded abroad. All right, I'll tell you the very simple process of doing so. Okay, to begin, it's a single one-page paper that you need to file. That can be acquired from, if you go to the website, so citizenship at pica.gov.jm. And PICA stands for Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency. All right, you can also look on JIS, that Jamaica Information Service. Go on that website and you can get additional information. All right, so let's begin. First, you need to file a one-page document. That document establishes the connection between you and your child. Their birth certificate, which is required, must show your name on it, or your Jamaican-born spouse, or the grandparents. Well, not your grandparents, but your Jamaican-born spouse. And if your grandparents are filing for them, then you'll have to establish a connection between you and them, still through their birth certificate. All right. The form will be submitted. You can submit it to the consulate, the closest Jamaican consulate to you in the country you reside. If you are in the United States, for example, it will cost you like about 100 US dollars. If you are in Canada, it will cost you 110 Canadian dollars. If you're in the UK, it will cost you 60 pounds. And if you're somewhere in Europe, it will cost you like 74 euros. Okay, so again, you will file a one-page form which you can acquire on the website citizenship.pica.gov.jm, and the cost is laid out there for you. And what you can do also is, at the time you're filing, you can also go ahead and submit the fees for their passport, their Jamaican passport. That will be a separate fee from the citizenship fee, and that will require two passport-sized pictures, just like if you're filing in any other country. Two passport-sized pictures, the forms to be filled out, and the pictures will need to be certified in some way that they are actually you. If you go to the consulate directly in your area, it will not. You don't need to certify anything. They will do the certification there. Okay, so all that information will be left in my description box below, once you get a chance to look at it. All right, so contrary to what most people think, Jamaica does not at all simply denounce or renounce rather your Jamaican citizenship if you acquire it abroad. So it does not affect you in any way filing for your foreign-born children's citizenship. And it's a very good thing. I'm telling you, it's a very good thing to have. It gives you additional coverage and additional security when you go abroad. If you ever get stranded abroad, or your children decides to visit Jamaica and they want to enjoy certain benefits, or as I've indicated before, if you demise, you're dead, and inheritance is made easier for them to acquire with when they have those Jamaican citizenship, or if they want to do business there, or they want to reside there, They no longer need to go in with their foreign passport, get stamped, and get told that they need to be there for a certain period of time. You know, they now have full extended stay whenever they want, all full access like any other Jamaican. All right. So thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, please subscribe, share, and like my videos. And remember, just read the information in the description box below. I'll provide everything there for you. Thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live.